Hey there, how's it going? Thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Lucas, and I was talking with Elaine about this video that I made for you guys of 3 things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath. These guys, when you look up on Google San Diego Kitchen Remodel, are the ones that show up on the first result on Google, over here and over here. But you would be able to beat them with no problem and secure their first 2 spots if you guys follow these tips that I'm gonna give you. You may wonder why I made this video for you, and this is because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business, so they don't have time to learn how to use the internet work for them, or as simple as they don't know who's an expert and who's not when it comes to hire somebody to do that for them. So I like to make these educational videos for business owners and send it to them for free so they can have all this information. And a lot of them, they like to take it and apply it themselves, but some of them, they call me and they have me doing it for them. Either one is okay with me. I just do this for passion. But if you like what you see and you feel like I could help you get in there, just give me a call and we can chat. But that said, let's get started with the video. First of all, I gotta say that I love your website. You have a lot of content already and really good pictures, as well with some reviews over here, and then a little blog, which Google loves. Google loves to see content. That's one of the first things I want to talk about. I'm going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. So as I was saying, Google loves content, and content would be everything that is on your page. All the text, all the pictures, what is behind the pictures, and also how the pictures are saved as. All right. So as you see here, when you copy this and paste it on the word counter, you guys have about 1700 words. Usually, Google likes to see about 2000 words of keyword rich content on the front page. As you see, for example, one of the two competitors, Lars Remodel over here, they have also a lot of content, a lot of pictures, and a lot of words. They have about 1500 words. Why they're ranking higher? Because their content is more keyword oriented. It's not just about the amount of content. You need to put some keywords in it. And what is a keyword? It's basically the terms that people uses to look up on Google your services. For example, San Diego Kitchen Remodel, kitchen remodeling companies in San Diego, etc., etc. So you will need to make a search on what are the terms that people are looking up the most and drop them a couple times within those 2000 words that you have to put on the homepage. The other thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Backlink is basically another website with a link to your website. So when somebody clicks in it, it takes you back over here. As you can imagine, the backlinks work a little bit like a popularity contest. The more, the better, but kind of like Google likes to see a bunch of relevant pages vouching for you, if possible, on the same niche. Which means, as I was saying, you can get backlinks for anybody, from anybody, like a shoe website or a website that talks about food. But if you get one backlink from another remodeling company or construction company, that would be way more powerful for Google and it give you way more trust in order to rank at the top. So with less backlinks, you can rank higher. And how you check backlinks? You can go here. We use a tool called Ahrefs here in Purple Room. Now, when I put your website here, it shows me that you have 13 referring domains. This means that it's 13 websites out there with a link to your website that when you click it, it takes you back over here. How much the competition have? As you see, Large Remodel, they have 74. Miramar Kitchen and Bath, they have 38 on the main page. That means that their backlinks are pretty strong because they don't have a very big number. They're ranking really high. And how can you catch up to them? As simple as copying them. You can just go to the referring domains, go through every single one of these pages, and through every single one of these pages as well. You make an account, and then you drop a link to your website on your profile. Okay? And then once you're done with all that, you add some more on top. So you have all their backlinks, which if they're good to rank them, they're good to rank you. And now you added some more on top. So now you're sure 100% that you'll be beating them with those 2,000 words of keyword rich content and also all those backlinks. Last thing I want to talk about is citations. That is what it gets you here. And the good thing is that you can do this completely for free. All you need to do is have more citations than your competition. And to do that, all you need to do is find a tool that lets you check the citations of your competitors. And the same as with the backlinks. You copy those citations and you would like to add at least 100 more. I would say, for example, if they have 150, I would add like 300. And basically, a citation is just your business information on several directories all throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Yelp, White Pages, so on and so forth. Okay? So, yeah, let's make a little recap. You need 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. Then build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying your competition and then adding some more on top. Build some citations, at least 100 more than your top competitor, and yeah, that's it. And so, if you're interested in doing that and you like what you hear, my recommendation would be to get started as soon as possible because implementing all this stuff takes some time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner you'll be getting all those extra calls and that extra business. Okay, so if you like the video and you want me to help you, please give me a call or send me an email and we can chat. If not, please just take all this information and implement it yourself. But if you have any questions during the process, please again feel free to give me a call. Thank you very much for watching, and if you can give me a little feedback on the video, it'll be much appreciated. Have a good day.